This diesel Range Rover was sent in by a hardcore fan after watching our restoration videos with only one request to return it to its peak condition despite more than 10 years of wear. We do the job of turning back time and bringing this car back to how it looked when it was first released in 2012.
'84 Gospel 57335 common error and time just rewound.
After the repair, the interior seats and the large top plastic parts are reassembled step by step.
Finally, the ultimate model elevates the quality of the E57 to its peak. This section is about the handed-in fingerprint cloud, carefully inspecting every corner without any negligence. The main feature begins.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.